Ladies and gentlemen, despite their hectic and busy schedule all around the globe, Saudi Hawks wanted to come to Pakistan just for the Independence Day celebrations. And now I will shift the controls to SCORN leader Simon Ray, who is going to describe the aerobatics profile for the audience.
Mr. President, Your Excellencies, Chief of the Air Staff, VIP guests, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Salaam Alaikum. Thank you very much for that kind introduction. And on behalf of the Royal Saudi Air Force display team, the Saudi Hawks, I would like to welcome you to this afternoon's display. We're very honoured to be here as part of today's celebrations for Pakistan's 70th Independence Day.
मौजूद ख़वातीन और हज़रात, अपने दिल थामे रखिए कि किसी भी लम्हे सऊदी हॉक्स अपनी पूरी आबोताब के साथ वेन्यू पर नमूदार होने वाले हैं.
So ladies and gentlemen, it's my job this afternoon to guide you through the display, make sure you're looking in the right direction to capture all the action, and also give you some information about the team, its pilots and the aircraft we fly. So currently the team are positioned behind you at the large hill. You can see behind you, the team are back there at the moment. And I'll let you know when they're about to fly over your head and start the show. The display today, though, consists of two very distinct halves. During the first half, you'll see the team perform as one unit, changing formation shapes, looping and rolling. During the second half, the formation splits into two sections, allowing the team to carry out high-energy manoeuvres and dynamic crosses. So, ladies and gentlemen, please give a very warm welcome to the Royal Saudi Air Force National Display Team, the Saudi Hawks.
मौजूद ख़वातीन और हज़रात, आपके सामने अमूदी सिम्त में परवाज़ करते हुए सऊदी हॉक्स.
The team have arrived in a formation we call Battle, which, as you would have seen, looks like a very large V. As the aircraft climb, the bosses called them into shield formation.
ख़वातीन और हज़रात, सऊदी हॉक्स अपनी तमाम तर मसरूफियात तज कर पाकिस्तान का जश्न यौम आज़ादी मनाने आए हैं. और ये देखिए, एक खूबसूरत अंदाज में फॉर्मेशन बरकरार रखे हुए सऊदी हॉक्स.
The Saudi Hawks are the public face of the Royal Saudi Air Force. The team was formed in 1998 at Dhahran Air Base. They were formed to display at the 100-year anniversary celebrations of the forming of the modern Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Since the team's creation, the Saudi Hawks have displayed at many official and public ceremonies inside and outside the kingdom, representing the professionalism, excellence and dedication of the Saudi Armed Forces and its personnel. So to your right, the bosses now changed the team into diamond formation for the diamond roll.
मौजूद ख़वातीन और हज़रात, अपनी निगाहों को वेन्यू के दाएं जानिब रखिए. सऊदी हॉक्स इंतहाई नीची परवाज़ करते हुए और इंतहाई करीबी फॉर्मेशन बरकरार रखे हुए अमूदी सिम्त में परवाज़ कर रहे हैं.
The BAE Systems Hawk Mark 65 aircraft. This aircraft has a Rolls-Royce Adore engine, produces 5,700 pounds of thrust. This makes the aircraft very manoeuvrable, allowing it to pull up to 8G. Today's show, or most of it, is flown at around 360 knots or 650 kilometers an hour, which is right in the middle of the aeroplane's speed envelope.
मौजूद ख़वातीन और हज़रात, हॉक तैयारों से निकलता ये हरा और सफ़ेद धुआं इस बात की अक्कासी कर रहा है कि आज जश्न आज़ादी में सऊदी अरब भी हमारे साथ है.
So if you cast your eyes to the left-hand side now, the bosses called the team into helix formation. For a manoeuvre down the line, we call the helix. I'll let you listen to the team.
मौजूद ख़वातीन और हज़रात, निगाहें बाएं जानिब मरकूज़ रखिए. Saudi Hawks अपने अगले मनूवर की जानिब बढ़ रहे हैं। और ये देखिए एक इंतहाई दिलचस्प नजारा जो आज तक आपने सिर्फ अपने टीवी की स्क्रीन पर देखा, आज यहाँ आपके सामने इस्लामाबाद की फिजा में।
Which were rolling behind the other aircraft will catch the formation up now, and the boss, as he comes left, will move the formation into a shape we call tiger.
ख़वातीन हज़रात, सऊदी हॉक्स दाएं जानिब से अपने अगले मनूवर की तरफ बढ़ते हुए।
So from the right-hand side, the team approach for the Tiger Bend.
और ये देखिए आपके दाएं जानिब से सऊदी हॉक्स सफेद धुआं छोड़ते हुए अपने अगले मनूवर की जानिब बढ़ रहे हैं। और एक शानदार अंदाज में इंतहाई नजदीकी फॉर्मेशन बरकरार रखे हुए आपके सामने एक कोऑर्डिनेटेड टर्न का मुजाहरा पेश करते हुए सऊदी अरब की एरोबैटिक्स टीम सऊदी हॉक्स।
So as the team continue the bend in front of you, the boss will shortly call them into Phoenix formation. You'll see Saudi 6 and 7 move to the outside of the formation. Although this looks like a pretty easy formation to fly, this is the most difficult position that we fly, as all the pilots flying on the boss's wing are looking over their shoulders to fly formation.
वेन्यू के एंड सामने अपना टर्न मुकम्मल करते हुए सऊदी हॉक्स एक इंतहाई खूबसूरत फॉर्मेशन बरकरार रखे हुए।
The team rolls out, you'll see Saudi 6 and 7 turn their smoke off and they move in behind the boss. I'm sure you've already worked it out, but the boss leads the team from the front and uses radio commands to maneuver the formation around and change formation shapes safely.
ख़वातीनो हज़रात, आपको बताता चलूं कि किसी भी फॉर्मेशन की कामयाबी उसका पूरा इन्हिसार उसकी लीडर की कमांड पर है। उस लीडर के विंगमैन जब बेखौफ व खतर होकर अपने लीडर की बात मानते हैं और उसके इशारे पर अपनी फॉर्मेशन तब्दील करते हैं तो वो एक खूबसूरत मिसाल बन जाती है।
So approaching from the left-hand side, team are just about to fly a Typhoon into Spear Loop. They've started this loop at 650 kilometers an hour. As they reach the top at 1 mile in the air, or 6,000 feet, the aircraft will slow down to 200 knots. Almost no G-force on the top of the loop. Then as they accelerate down at the backside, the G-force comes back on and the speed increases again.
और ख़वातीनो हज़रात के सामने इस पाक